Hi, it's Mike here, Mike Harraway Cars, based down in Weston Super Mare. I'll take a moment around this 2014 64 reg Peugeot Partner automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the moment. This one's done 21,000 miles from new. It was converted by Allied Vehicles and has seating for 3 plus space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 seats in the front, 1 chair in the rear. Also comes with an electric winch. You can see there in the middle with the yellow ribbon. There's a lightweight ramp on the rear as well, which also has a fold flat function. Just show you how that works. Tips up, just pull the fold flat lever. There you go, you can have a flat boot floor, which can be quite useful. Also comes with rear parking sensors. That's what the little black dot is there on the bumper. As well as privacy glass, so it can be a bit cooler in these summer months, a bit more private. Say 21,000 miles. I should expect it's all nice and clean and tidy. Also comes with LED daytime running lights, front bumper. Around and show you inside the driver's side. There you go, 21,071 miles. It's all your radio CD player, it's all your air conditioning. There's the controls for the automatic, the little wheel, just turn it. Also has these little paddles, you can go up and down the gears with them if you need to. It's got a passenger airbag, driver's airbag, electric mirrors. It also has electric windows, traction control, height adjustable driver's seat, front armrest. So it's got all the essentials in there for you. There's just your 3rd rear seat. So here's plenty of room there alongside for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. There you have it. If that's of interest, if you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.